Welcome everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Syakir bin Muhammad Yusof, and with my partner here.
My name is Fahmi bin Muhammad Mislan Nurhaya.
Okay, today we will like presenting our mini project for subject programming for engineer. So our mini project is about Selangor Kiosk. Okay, let me tell a little bit about our project. The title of our project is Selangor Kiosk. Okay, we are using Python programming language to design a computer system with Selangor, with Selangor, my bad, to make a payment kiosk for consumer to pay for their bill payment. It has become one of the most popular programming language in the world for a few recent years. It is used in everything from machine learning to building website and software testing. It can be used by developers and non-developers alike. Okay, technology can be defined as the application of scientific knowledge for practical purpose, especially industry. To put in the simple word, that is advanced in computer technology. Next, machinery and equipment developed from the application of scientific knowledge. Okay, the simple word is it will reduce the industry ability to spend money on new technology. Okay, finally, the branch of knowledge dealing with engineer or applied sciences. Okay, next is about business. Business technology is the ever-increasing reliance on information technology by business of all types to handle and optimize their business purpose. It is important to a country economy because business provides both good and service and also a jobs. Next, it will create job opportunities because they need people to produce and sell their goods and service to consumer. Okay, for the system planning flowchart, I would like to invite my partner, Fahmi bin Muhammad Mislah Nurhaya to continue our presentation. Fahmi, please.
Thank you, Ahmad Syakir, for allowing me to speak. Okay, for the flow chart, okay, for our project, for the start, after we start, the program will display welcome to Selangor Kiosk. And please pay your water bill here. And then after that display, we will need to key in our IC, and after we key in our IC, it will display the user info. And if we key in the wrong IC, it will turn back to start. Okay, after the program has displayed the user info, it will go to bill in month. It will display the amount of bill that need to pay in a certain month. And after that, after this amount need to pay, it will display amount of bill in a month that we need to pay. Okay, and then we enter the amount of bill that we need to pay. Okay, after that, for this total bill in month. Okay, for customer that overpay for the from the bill that stated before this, it will display please wait for your balance, and then please take your balance, and then your payment is processed and please wait. Thank you. Okay, for it, that is for the overpay, and for the exact value, for the exact amount of value that the customer pay, it will go to your payment is processed, please wait, thank you. And then for the last, it will go go to start for the from the beginning. Okay, that is for the flow chart. Okay, this is the source code for our mini project, which is we use Python programming. This is the codes. Okay, and this is the result or the output that we get after we we make our programming. Okay, for source code for the presentation we use Tony app for the for to present. Okay, for the display name of the kiosk, we put welcome to Selangor Kiosk, pay your bill water here. Okay, and then we put ID, which is input. The input is please enter your IC. So if we enter the wrong IC, the display will print please run again. And when we enter 980616106409, it will pop up Fahmi bin Muhammad Mislan Nur Haya, nombor 40, lot 2754, Jalan Dusun, Bilik Rapah, 4220 Kapar, Selangor. And then for the other IC, it will come out like Ahmad Syakir, nombor 40, Jalan Waranti Melong, 4111, Kelantan. Okay, that is for the ID input. Okay, and then for the bill input for month. Okay, the input for the bill is enter what month. So for December or March 12, for December we put 12. The print will be RM50, and for November we put 40. And then if we put other than December and November, it will pop like please try again. Okay, for display insert amount of bill in month. After they ask for what month, the program will ask the user to insert amount of bill in month, and the bill note that accepted at the kiosk is 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 20 ringgit, 50 ringgit, and 100 ringgit. This is the variable for the data to use. Okay, for the calculation, quantity of 5 ringgit, input quantity of RM5, so amount of value RM5, RM5 multiplied by quantity of RM5, which is 5. So the print will be quantity of RM5. So for that is for RM5. For RM10, we also input the same input quantity of RM10. RM10 multiplied by quantity of RM10. For 20 ringgit, quantity of 20 ringgit for the input, and for the amount of value 20 ringgit multiplied by quantity of 20 ringgit. And for the RM50, the input will be quantity of RM50. The amount of value will be RM50 multiplied by quantity of 50 ringgit, and the print, the display will be quantity of RM50, RM what amount that we put. So for the RM100, the input is quantity of RM100. Amount of value will be 100 multiplied by quantity of 100. Okay, that is for the calculate the amount of money. So the amount of money, the bill note that put into the kiosk or machine. Okay, for the calculation total amount of money, total amount of value equal to amount value RM5 plus amount value RM10 plus amount value RM20 plus amount value RM50 plus amount value RM100. So that the total of 5 ringgit, 10 ringgit, 20 ringgit, 50 ringgit and 100 ringgit will be the total amount of value, the total sum. The display for payment, please insert your money, please make sure your money is in good condition. And for customer with who pay with exact amount of money, uh, the display will be thank you for using our kiosk, your payment will be processed, please wait for your receipt. It will be strict to this display. For customer that pay with overpay with not exact amount, it will display please wait a moment to take your balance first. And then please take your money balance, which is scan, which is something. And then after that, thank you for using our kiosk. Your payment will be processed. Please wait for your receipt. Okay. And for the last, display current date and time, input date time. This is for the current date and time. Exit. That's all for the source code. Now we will run the source code in Tony. Okay, the display will be welcome to Selangor Kiosk. Pay your water bill here. Please enter your IC. I will enter my IC that I have set before this. Is my name and my address. Enter what month that I want to pay for. I will enter December, which is 12. So 12 December, the amount of bill need to pay is RM50. So please insert my billing market quantity of 5 ringgit 0, 10 0, 20 0, 50 ringgit 1, 100 0. Okay, so please insert more of your money 100. For the exact amount of value that the customer pay, this is for the case 1, 50 ringgit. So it will print thank you for using our kiosk, your payment will be processed, please wait for your receipt. It will be the current date and time. That's for the exact amount of value that the customer pay at the kiosk. This is for case 2, which is when the customer overpay for the bill. So like usual, enter my IC first. This is Fahmi Bima Usaha Raya Jalan Dusun Bukit Gapa. Enter what month if for 12 50 ringgit. So not 00010. Amount of money that the customer pay, we put 100. So the money balance will be RM50. Okay, that's it for when the customer overpay for the bill water, for the water bill. I think that's all for the source code and the output display for our mini project.
For the last part, Python programming language are easy to use because it is an open source and easy to learn. This versatility, along with its beginner friendliness, has made it one of the most used programming languages. In software development, Python can aid in tasks like a build control, bug tracking, and testing. With Python, software developers can automate testing for new product or feature. We hope our mini projects are relevant for the use by user in the future and needs to make an improvement for the convenience of user. I think that's all from us. We hope you will enjoy our presentation. Thank you. Bye.